Welcome. Greater Adjutant Stork, Leptoptilus dubius. We will learn about Greater Adjutant Stork, a rare species found. It is a very large bird, 110 to 150 centimeters tall, with a massive pale yellow bill. It has bare head and neck with a pinkish, sometimes blotchy skin and a noticeable fleshy pouch under the neck. It has blackish-gray wings and back. Underparts are whitish with long, strong legs adapted for wading. They are found mainly in Assam, India and parts of Cambodia. Small populations elsewhere in South and Southeast Asia. It prefers wetlands, large water bodies, garbage dumps, and paddy fields. Nests in tall trees near wetlands, often in colonies. They are opportunistic feeder, eats fish, amphibians, reptiles, small mammals, carrion, and scraps. They are often seen alone or in small groups. It has a slow, deliberate walk and spends much time near water or refuse sites. Silent bird, but may clatter its bill or make guttural sounds at nests. This species are endangered IUCN Red List, mainly due to loss of nesting trees, wetland destruction, and human disturbance. The Greater Adjutant was once widespread across much of Asia but now survives in just a few strongholds. Its name Adjutant comes from its stiff military-like walk. The Greater Adjutant Stork, one of the rarest and most striking birds on Earth. This endangered stork plays a vital role as nature's cleanup crew, feeding on fish, small animals, and even carrion. Please subscribe this channel to get more information about animals. More videos coming soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.